Welcome to Active Learners Academy, a new way of learning.
Hello class. Today we're going to learn about physical and chemical changes. Can anyone tell me what they know about these changes?
I think physical changes are when something changes shape or size, but it's still the same thing. Is that right?
Exactly, that's right. Physical changes affect the form of a substance, but not its chemical composition. For example, when ice melts into water, it's still H2O. Can you think of another example?
Like when you break a piece of chalk. It's still chalk, just in smaller pieces.
Perfect. Breaking chalk is a physical change. Now, can anyone tell me what a chemical change is?
I think a chemical change is when something new is made, like rust on iron. Is that correct?
Yes, you're spot on. Chemical changes result in the formation of new substances with different properties. When iron rusts, it forms iron oxide, which is different from iron. Can you give me another example of a chemical change?
How about when you burn paper? It turns into ash and smoke.
That's a great example. Burning paper is a chemical change because it produces new substances like ash and gases. Let's review a few more examples to make it clear.
Sure. How about dissolving sugar in water?
Dissolving sugar in water is a physical change. The sugar molecules mix with the water, but they don't change chemically. If you evaporate the water, you get the sugar back. What about baking a cake?
Baking a cake is a chemical change, right? Because the ingredients mix and change to form a new substance.
Exactly. The ingredients undergo a chemical reaction to create the cake, which has different properties than the raw ingredients. One last example. What about cutting an apple?
Cutting an apple is a physical change because you are just changing its shape.
That's correct. However, if you leave the cut apple out and it turns brown, that browning is a chemical change because the apple reacts with oxygen in the air.
Wow, I get it now. Physical changes are like changing the form, and chemical changes make something new.
Exactly. Great job. Remembering these differences will help you understand the world around you better.
Thanks, teacher. This was really interesting.
You're welcome. Keep observing and asking questions. That's the best way to learn.